Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am going to do a tree ring pour on a vase, and I'm going to be using paint from my local Dollar Tree. Everything except white, because unfortunately I ran out of white first. So I have leftover colors, blue, red, black, orange, which I added a little bit of red to make it a little bit more orangey than yellow, and a gray that I made by mixing white and black. I mixed a little bit because they didn't have a ton of different color options, just kind of the main colors. And then my white is leftover white paint, which I believe is still the same mixture I've been using for the last couple of videos, so I will put that in the description down below. So I'm going to go ahead now and layer my colors in my cup, and then we will get started pouring. I put my vase a little further back on the canvas because my desk is not level, so the paint is going to come this way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Wow, this is super cool. I see some cells popping up all over, and unfortunately I think those are going to pull down, so they probably won't stay as nice, but I'm kind of hoping that some of them stay. And each side looks different, so I'm going to try to turn you around to show you all the different sides at the end. Actually, let's go ahead and try to take a look now before I move the vase. Okay, so I am ready to move my vase. Okay, so here is the canvas from the vase, and I'm going to try tilting it. I don't know if there's enough paint on here. If there's not, I have plenty in my cup left, so I could always just do a tree ring on here. But I want to see what it looks like first. There's a clump right there. I gotta just get that off, unfortunately. Really stretching this paint. Okay, let's take a closer look. All right, so there's a lot of gray. Let's go in a little closer. There's some really beautiful details in here, but unfortunately I think it might end up being a really washed out painting because there's not any contrast. You can see all of the contrast here on this screen because my phone auto adjusts and is kind of blowing out the colors a lot, but in person it's mostly just gray, and I know that when it dries it's going to dry a lot darker than this. So I think I may actually paint over this, as beautiful as this looks right now, because I want to use the rest of this paint. This video is already pretty long, so I think I'm going to do this in a separate video. So keep an eye out for that coming up. Also, keep an eye out for my separate video talking about how I take the vase off of the canvas if you're interested in kind of seeing that explained a little bit more. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.